Day 4 / We had a great progress and work going smoothly. We work as a team and make a daily goals to achieve great success with quality work. You will learn such an amazing ideas of painting your shops, and you will see how to improve the appearance of our shopping center, and you will love our work. Most of our clients appreciate our work and they're very happy having our services. We design the combination of colors and painting and artworks. Day 4 / Finalize the first 2 store and adding some fine line accent colors and detail work to achieve 100% customer satisfaction by taking care of every detail. Stay tuned for upcoming results. TRC is a leading fast-growing paint company in North Carolina, and we believe in good quality and friendly services, and we provide free estimates, and we deal with exterior and interior paint services by a well-experienced team and good behavior. Please contact us for all your paint, power washing and decorating solutions, and please subscribe our channel and stay with us for amazing results.